My name is Nicholas Jankovic from T7 Training Systems Courseware. Standard coursebooks are letter or legal size, or A4 size in Europe and Australia, which is too large for your participants to keep handy at their desks after training. Your coursebooks are put in a drawer or in a bookcase where they're lost forever. This is a missed opportunity. If coursebooks are more convenient for participants to keep at their desk, they are used more often and given to other people to use, raising your profile and generating more training work for your organisation. T7 Training Systems Courseware comes in legal half size, or A5 size for Europe and Australia, as your sample coursebook is. The smaller size receives tremendous feedback from training participants. The smaller size is less intimidating, and it makes the coursebook practical to use on a busy workstation desk. We also have full-size coursebooks if you prefer, or if you wish to offer a large print option. Most training coursebooks are full of text and often in multiple columns and boxes. This requires a large amount of reading for each piece of knowledge and is a disincentive for people to use your coursebooks after training. Various blocks of text in your coursebooks disrupt the clear flow of step-and-step learning and give the impression of a great deal of reading required to understand a concept. Despite people's want of a complex document, we've found people want complex information in a simple, easy-to-read form. T7 Training Systems Courseware doesn't have multiple sections to confuse and intimidate readers. Instead, it is easy and clear to read while being rich with useful information. Every page has a clear path to follow with key actions highlighted in bold and italics. As you'll see in your sample coursebook, extra information is put aside in the notes area of the T7 tips so as not to clutter the page and to allow participants to take their notes in the coursebook itself. The T7 tips can be named anything you like. Call them David's tips or helpful tips. The change is included at no extra cost when you order T7 Training Systems Courseware. You order new coursebooks, but you don't get a choice about which subjects are in the basics level, intermediate level and advanced level, and your courses suffer from bad subject choices that you can't change. Some courseware books say they can be personalised, but are supplied in Microsoft Word format. Nobody really has the time to modify them, and even if you did, when you buy the next version a few years later, you have to personalise the new coursebooks all over again. Even worse, your competitors offer exactly the same subject list as you, meaning there's no point of difference between you and your competition. With T7 Training Systems Courseware, we do the personalisation work for you. You choose which subjects you want in each level, or you can use or modify our comprehensively tested subject suggestions. We then create the PDF with all of the changes you require in it, and we can change this at any stage during your subscription with us. Your company name doesn't just appear on the footer with T7 Training Systems. We integrate your company name directly into the text of the coursebook. You can even design your own cover or use one of our impressive designs. We're always taking on board advice from people about how they're finding the usage of our training materials, and we change our coursebooks accordingly. You will receive updates during your subscription with T7 Training Systems as we improve and work on the coursebooks, as we have done for 10 years. As well, if you want a certain page made a certain way, we can actually design a page specifically for you. T7 Training Systems creates courseware that becomes your new point of difference. We make attractive looking and well thought out practice files that are easy to use, great for teaching, and we can personalize those training files towards your needs if you would like them done a certain way. Your company name is integrated throughout the coursebook. We have PC and Mac versions which can be run concurrently, which allows you to have a few Mac computers along with your PCs and train both the PC and Mac programs together. As you probably have learned over time, Mac people do not like receiving the PC book. The PC versions are too different, and Mac people want to have their own copy. This means you can keep everybody happy and not have to run two separate courses. We have personalizations of subjects in each course book to provide the course that you know is best, as opposed to what we think is best. You know your business best, you know how you want to deliver it. We supply the course book that you require. We can make your own personalized cover, or you can supply one to us, or you could use one of our impressive designs. We listen to your feedback, and we consistently and constantly develop and improve our material, as we have for 10 years. We do training courses ourselves, we learn what people need to know, and we integrate it into the course books to make courses that are easy to understand, easy to teach, and create consistently good feedback. We have teacher videos for every subject, so you can deliver with confidence. You simply watch the video for the subject that you're putting in the course book, and you can deliver it the next day. We have economical black and white versions or impressive full color. Your sample course book is in our high level full color, however we have a cheaper full color option available as well. These course books are available as a PDF license, or they're also available as ready-made books direct to your door. So you may decide to purchase PDFs, which you can print. You can print as many as you like. There is no counting, there is no charge per print. You simply buy the license and print as many as you like for as long as you like. However, you may prefer to let us do the work for you, and we will simply deliver the course books to your door as requested. You can read more about T7 Training Systems courseware at trainingcoursewarebooks.com, or please feel free to email any of us with any queries you have at inquiries@trainingcoursewarebooks.com.